how shite the mic is gonna sound because of it. But here we are. We're gonna be heading to that beach over there, walking. Because if you live by the ocean, it's a shame to not walk over there.
Right. It's not gonna work if you wanted to have it, while traveling or something.
Beautiful day. These are the action shots that the GoPro was created for.
Yep. Exactly.
This is it right here, baby. I'm getting the slow-mo for this. I mean, is there anything else anybody would rather watch?
Oh, my dad keeps sending us.
That sucks. You guys are tiny because I have the wide angle.
Oh, with the wide angle?
Yeah.
Look at those small mints.
Yeah. So scaredy baby. Yeah, he didn't bark. He was just scared. He's like, he's regressed.
Hi.
Leanums, do you have anything to say?
This is like Cubestar level. Wow.
Oh, wait a minute. Okay.
I told you, I was like,
He doesn't get it. He does not get it anymore.
He will chew that thing up.
He is not allowed. He went to so bad. I just wanted to hear him sniffing.
Saved by the wiener, just so you know. Would you like to speak?
Saved by the wiener.
Safe by the
Okay.
Jamie Lee real fast, guys.
Want it so bad.
Dr. James Wiener. Can you pull up that dentist
Oh,
review?
he's been nose. Okay.
You know,
And that is the end of test.
James, you've been through
Test
some
one.
shit, man. What's going on? Your hair is
Chill
looking-
though. He's so lazy. Hello? Who's laying there?
I think we had a little staring contest.
Singapore.
That's fine.
Fit check. We got the Macy's robe. And the slippers. Denny, what are you wearing? We got the Costco shirt.
And the Costco
35
pants.
degrees, and the Costco pants. And the slippers. And the slides.
The slides.
Weenoms.
5-pack of Costco shirts for
Yeah. If,
$20
which, by
or
the way,
something.
if this is a 32-degree one, it's thin. You see my fingers.
perfect for the summer.
You will get burned wearing this shirt. You will
That
get
is
a
true.
sunburn
That
still.
is true. But it is nice in the summer to wear this though. It is very nice
Wear
and light.
sunscreen underneath the shirt.
Yeah, just try to stay out of the sun a little bit at least.
So I was putting a bunch of different clips together. I know I'm kind of trying to do like a vlog style, but sometimes I'm just like vibing through life. I'm not talking to a camera, so here's me doing that. But I wanted to put in a little a warning, because I enjoy eating. I enjoy eating in front of a camera, and I enjoy watching like ASMR videos, and I just wanted to put out a warning for those that are either disturbed by mouth noises or ASMR stuff. The people above me are doing some kind of construction, if you can hear that. But also on top of that, I also enjoy, I don't know if this is kind of weird, but like watching people binge eat, and they definitely have like eating disorders. So that's another thing. I partake not in the eating disorder part, but in the binging, if you consider that an eating disorder. I guess that is an eating disorder, but I don't do the other part, if you know what I mean. Like, I don't take it away, I don't purge it from my body. So for me, that's like a healthy distinction, I guess. And like, I don't binge eat and gain excessive weight. Hello. All this to say, why did I even bring that up? Because I'm gonna be reviewing a bunch of different food all the time. Pizzas are gonna be today's topic of conversation, and I'm gonna be like heavily enjoying them. And I eat like 3, sometimes 4 helpings when I do eat like my dinners and stuff like that. So just don't want to trigger anybody. That's my life. And on top of this, something I wanted to bring up. So there was a binge eater that I enjoyed watching on YouTube. Their name was, oh my gosh, do I even want to say this? They have like 12,000 subscribers. They were my favorite though. And I promise you, I had no idea that they were documenting their eating disorder. I mean, I should have freaking known. It's really obvious if you were to take a look. They'll do stuff that now I don't think I recognized this before. All their videos do say like trigger warning, eating disorder, like almost all of them. But it would be like what I eat during my binge, food recovery, what I ate, or like, and in their thumbnail it would be like 23,000 calories. For me, it was like an enjoyable video to put on because they didn't talk. They just kind of like, you could hear them eating, and sometimes there'd be music, but I liked the sound of eating. And they would just show not them eating, maybe, I don't remember if I remember correctly, but like they would have the camera at the food and they would just be like, I love the way they picked apart the food and they just ate it, and how much they could eat. Like, I would eat while they did that because it made me hungry and it was like enjoyable. I think that's why people watch mukbangs, you know? But it was a different type of thing. It was like so much, like that's what I loved, so much good food, because they were in Japan. So they like eat their stuff and then show the additional stuff they would get, like the convenience store stuff. They would talk about what they liked about the food too. So it was really, really great. And I'm concerned, and a lot of people are concerned because they stopped posting 3 years ago. And I was still watching while they were posting. So I guess it's been a while since I last watched them. And I was concerned because they stopped posting like 6 months. And then I just remembered them again. I looked them up again. And yeah, it's been 3 years and nothing. So hope they're good. Alrighty. This is how we're going to start. This is the Supreme Pizza from Lure Street Pizza and Ice Cream. Very excited to try it. I've been hearing some good things. They're also very new. They're kind of occupying the space that Moose's was, if you remember where that is. And it's right next to Poo Poo House. So, I have already tried J. Dolan's and Boston's Pizza and where else? Beach House Beer Company, okay, which doesn't have pizza, and it's like not a pizza place, it's a beer place, and they really surprised me. The Beach House Beer Company is probably my number 1 favorite pizza place on Oahu, at least. Just really quick, my husband went to the wrong pizza place. It's so stupid. Okay. I'm okay now. But I was like broken inside. My disappointment was immeasurable. Okay? The second I found out, I like ate it already. It's like I ate the pizza. And I got sick of the cheese one, by the way. I couldn't finish it because it was like so it got to that point where it was kind of bland, and I'm like, nothing enticing me to finish this except carnal hunger. But yeah, the place that I did eat the pizza of was a slice of Waikiki. Not to slander them or anything. They have a niche, okay? They have a thing going for them. And they're good in their own right. It's just they were not on my pizza to try list, pizza to review list. And I consumed it, and now I'm kind of like over pizza, you know? I'm sure I'll be able to eat it again in a few days, but getting it again tonight is out of the question. And yeah, I still haven't tried Lure Street pizza and ice cream, and that's what I wanted. Okay, Mama wanted it yesterday, but they were closed, so we go today. And I even pointed it, we were there walking past it, and I was like, I want to try that place. And so I was like, do you remember I said that? And he's like, yes. And he still got the wrong pizza place. And he's upset too, okay? Not that I'm upset. He's upset with himself for doing this, because he probably knows how disappointed and upset I am. And I'm trying not to be. I just told him, thank you for getting me pizza, because I should just be grateful that he got me food. That's the end of it. And I am. So, but I didn't have to say anything, okay? He knows me. He knows how disappointed and upset I am. So, but we will get through this. Okay, marriage is built on a foundation. You know, we're supposed to get through these highs and lows together. These are one of the lows that they're talking about. So yeah, it's funny, but it's also not. Just wanted to share that, because I can't talk to him about it. I can't make him feel worse. But I need to talk to somebody about what happened. And I need to just talk through it. So thank you for being here, if you are here. And that's the end of today's video. Thank you.